Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to log in to your iCloud profile in your Windows PC. So first you open your browser, any browser that you are using, then in the search bar you just type iCloud. After that you will see the first official website, you click on that. Then here you will find the option to sign in, you click on that. Here you can choose two options, either to sign in with your iCloud address and password or just to sign in with your iPhone. Then you click on continue, you enter your password, then you click on sign in. Here also you have two options, either to paste the verification code that was sent to your iPhone, or if you cannot access your iPhone you just click on this. And here you select the way that you want to verify that you are the true user of this account. You can select, for example, this one, text code. And after you enter the code correctly, as you can see here, your iCloud account will be opened and you can use it as you want. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.